Finally, I placed a Nykaa order and get a free gift from Cannes, including a Bobbi Brown concealer. Hi everyone, I am Payal. By the way, this name is my nickname and my original name is Shoma Boshak. So this is my first video on this channel and I am very excited to share the unboxing video with you. So let's unboxing together. So this is my Nykaa parcel and the packaging is very good and secure. The products are came with very security. Actually, I am opened it before, but for this video, I am packaged it again. So let's unbox. The first product is from Dot & Key Blueberry Hydrate Barrier Repair Toner. I am heard about this toner. This is very good toner for oily skin. I chose this toner because of hydrating and barrier repairing, and I excited to use it. The next product is Minimalist 2% Salicylic Acid Serum and this is the 10 ml package. I have heard it more about this. It is very good for oily and acne prone skin and I am excited to use it every day. So let's unbox its box. Wow. This is the 10 ml very small product. The packaging is very aesthetic and very secure. Now go for the free gifts. The free gifts are Bobbi Brown concealer. This is the very renowned brand and next free gift is L'Oreal Paris hair serum that is from Cannes. I am happy to receive these free gifts because free gifts are always exciting, but I am also disappointed about this free gifts because this is a very teeny small product and I am expecting little bit big product. So by the way, the products are very good and I am also excited to trying these things. So if you enjoyed my video, like, share and subscribe my channel and keep subscribe for more videos and also for links check my video description. Bye.